Hi there, I'm Linda Banfalvey. I'm an artist that's been painting for over 30 years, and I've worked with oil paints, acrylics, and mixed media, and I recently have been developing online classes, online course workshops that you can take at your own speed, self-paced. And so this is a supplies and materials tutorial so that you'll know what you need to get yourself set up to do the painting workshops. And so I'm going to go over a little bit about the supplies and materials that you need, starting with oil paints and the cold wax medium, the substrates that you paint on, tools and palettes, and additives that we're going to use with mixed media approaches, mark making, and miscellaneous things that you will need in order to take the workshops. And there's by no means will I cover everything known to man, but it'll be a very good start so that you know the bare minimum that you need to get started, and a few things that maybe you didn't think about, so that you can have a lot of creative fun in your studio.